Ever wondered about the concept of merged mining and how it works? Let's delve into it. Merged mining is a fascinating process that allows two cryptocurrencies to be mined simultaneously. Imagine finding gold and silver at the same time with a single pickaxe swing. That's the magic of merged mining. This concept isn't new. It was theorized by none other than Satoshi Nakamoto, the enigmatic creator of Bitcoin, as a way to scale the cryptocurrency. So, merged mining, in essence, allows miners to mine for more than one blockchain at the same time. But how does it exactly work? Mining two cryptocurrencies at the same time may sound complex, but the underlying principle is quite simple. Imagine you're a miner, and you've just solved a complex mathematical problem. Instead of submitting this solution to just one blockchain, you submit it to two. This means you're creating work that is valid on multiple blockchains, boosting both efficiency and security. This is the core of merged mining, an ingenious method that's as practical as it is elegant. In essence, merge mining is like hitting two birds with one stone. But who uses this method? One of the key players utilizing merged mining is Rootstock. This revolutionary smart contract platform is intertwined with Bitcoin, harnessing its power to broaden its own capabilities. By using merged mining, Rootstock is able to import the extensive functionalities of Ethereum into Bitcoin's realm. But it doesn't stop there. Rootstock also anchors its security within Bitcoin's proof of work, creating a fortified ecosystem. With merged mining, Rootstock not only enhances Bitcoin's functionalities but also leverages its robust security. Merged mining, thus, is a fascinating concept that brings together the best of multiple cryptocurrencies. Born from the innovative mind of Satoshi Nakamoto, it forms the backbone of scaling solutions like Rootstock. By leveraging Bitcoin's robust proof-of-work system, Rootstock successfully integrates Ethereum's functionalities, enhancing the versatility of cryptocurrencies. Merged mining is more than just a theory. It's a practical, innovative approach forever transforming the crypto landscape. So, the next time you hear about merged mining, you'll know exactly what it means and how it's shaping the future of cryptocurrencies.